Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential access. Make sure the device is online and has at least 20% battery so updates won't fail. Next, sign into the same Google account credentials you used before. You'll need the primary email and current password or a recovery option. Once done, enable location and check settings about for the Android or iOS build so you know if policy or FRP steps apply. This prepares the device for account resync and any verification prompts. You now perform the core recovery and resync. Go to Settings, Accounts, Add Account, pick Google and follow the OAuth prompts. This reestablishes tokens with Google services. If Google asks for two-step verification, use your authenticator, SMS code, or recovery email. This proves ownership and refreshes session cookies. If the device is flagged, open Find My Device, Google.com, or the security section of your Google account on another device to review and authorize the sign-in. Make sure you complete the process by forcing a sync. Open Play Store and Gmail, then in Settings Accounts tap your Google entry and choose Sync Now so services pull data immediately. If the device still shows previously synced on this device error, remove the account from Settings, reboot, and re-add it. This clears stale tokens. If that fails, clear Google Play Services cache or use the account recovery form. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data to remove FRP locks and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.